So this is what we are going to do in this video. You are going to learn how you can animate your background, your desktop background, right? Just like that. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, then you can do this, right? But if you don't have Windows 11, just find the link in the description. You can download and install Windows 11 activated, don't worry. So find the link in the description, click on the link and follow the steps in this video, and you're going to be able to install that small application. So I will suggest you to download it from the official Microsoft website, right? Just press on OK. You're going to be prompted on this Microsoft Store and follow the steps to install it, right? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the ring bell to receive notification for the upcoming video on this HowToDo Technology channel. So that is it. Once it is installed, you just need to select your background and there it is, right? Just like that. Like this one, I like it. I'm in love with this. So I'm going to show you 3 features. The first one, how you can put your own video as your background. Of course, animated, right? You can mute the sound, you can keep the sound. I'm going to show you in this video. Just stick around, guys. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. So there it is. I have my video. As you can see, it's one of my tutorial. So just check if everything is okay. Then press on OK. Let's go. After some seconds, it's going to be there live. Imagine that's my background, guys. That's my background. So the second feature, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of any background. Select anyone. In this video, we're going just to show you on this one. Just click right and customize. Select the color. You have many colors here. Let's choose pink, right? Like that, and press OK. Let's see. Wow. But I don't think someone would go for this color, right? I know girls like pink, but this is too much. Anyway, you are free. So the third feature is the transparency of the taskbar, right? Just like that. Just like that. So guys, make sure you check some options, some very important options here. You have general settings. You can choose whether you want your live wallpaper to start when you switch on your computer, right? You can also change the language. You have also the theme, light or dark. Check the performance, make sure everything is at the right place. You know, you can decide when to start your live wallpaper and when to stop it. Sometimes you're running a program that requires much space, so you need to free space by just deactivating this wallpaper, right? When it comes to the battery also, it affects the battery, so you should know when to use it and when not to use it, guys. Go ahead, open these options. Make sure you check everything and select the right option according to your need. So that is it. Remember, I told you that you can also mute or unmute the video. When you have your personal video, it has a sound. You can decide whether you want to leave it playing or not. And for Windows 11 and Windows 10, you have, this feature of having more than 2 desktops. So you can decide whether you want to keep this live wallpaper on both desktops or you just want to keep it on one desktop. It's up to you. So guys, play around with those options and find which one is suitable for your computer. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section if you really like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the ring bell for you to receive notifications for the upcoming videos on this HowToDo Technology channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.